Hey everybody, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your ultimate tech. Today we are divining into a premium gaming headset, Zebronics Jet, a premium gaming headphone. So first up, let's unbox. Packaging is okay. Inside this box, we get this Zebronics Jet Game splitter cable. They have not provided any manual. So about its design, the build quality is impressive for this price. We have got this extra soft over ear adjustable handset and a flexible. The ear cups are large, providing a comfortable fit for long gaming sessions. And one of the coolest thing is that the RGB lighting. Yes, on the ear cups you can see here it's a subtle but adds that aesthetic gamer. This Zebronics headphones feature consists of 40 of neodymium drivers for immersive audio and noise isolated soft ear pads and a braided inline controller for volume and mic for and USB connectivity for PC laptops and 3.5 of audio jack. So basically this headphone is for your PC, not for your phones. It's very comfortable. I have been using this for a couple of hours now and honestly it's a super comfortable, no ear pain, no overheating. The headset is light enough to not feel heavy during long streams. Now you can see this RGB lights. Wow, what a nice finish. In the off lights you can see that this RGB light is changing the colors. Now let's test the sound quality. Here's a clip. Guys, I'm doing a live mic testing. What you are hearing now is directly from the Zebronics Jet headphone, so it is without any editing. This Zebronics Jet Gamer's Dream headphone is very absolutely a budget-friendly and immersive headphone for your sound, comfort and that gamer's aesthetic. So this handset is a solid pick. It's not about just looks, it performs where it counts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, like button for more honest tech reviews and unboxings. Got any questions? Drop them into comments. I'll reply to everyone. This is TechnoWaves. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.